Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my updated brow routine. Simple, easy, straight to the point, under 7 minutes brow. You can see how beautiful these brows look. Now, if you want to see how I drew on these brows, you want to learn how to get that beautifully sculpted brows, then please keep on watching. And while you're watching, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that black button underneath this video. Like this video and drop a comment in the comment section, and let's just start with the tutorial. For brows today, we're going to be using our Beauty Line by Didi Browgasm Brow Pencil, which looks just like this. I have the rest of my face already done, and I'm just going to draw on my brows because this is the next step I normally do. And then when I'm done with the brow tutorial and the rest of my face, I'll just come back to show you how we look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to brush up your brow hairs. Brush up. I always advise to make sure that your brows are tweezed or plucked or just shaved or carved beforehand. It really does help. Then this pencil makes it absolutely easy to draw on your brows. This is my updated 2023 eyebrow. I'm using once more the Beauty Line by Didi Browgasm Brow Pencil in the shade Perfect Brown. Now what you do, you just draw on a mark here. You take your pencil, you put it like this point right here, you draw a mark. You take your pencil, you put it through this black part of your eye down here. That is where the highest part of your arc should be, and you put a mark right there. And then you take it through the bottom part of this part of your eye right here, and you see from the side of your nose through this part of your eye right here. So right here is where your brows should end. You see, so you have the 3 points. Now what you're going to do after that is to connect the 3 points just in light strokes. Don't just draw on a straight line. Go in strokes, gradually, gently, gradually. I like starting from the bottom part. I have that on, and then I connect it like this. You can see we are actually done with the bottom part. Then I take the front part like this in an upward stroke motion like this. Okay, 1/3 of the way in, and then I start from the top. Remember, this is where our arc is supposed to be. So you gradually take that mark, gradually, and you join it. You see there, that is our brow, updated eyebrow. I'm just trying to fill in the brows because I like my brows to this part of my brow, I like it to be well defined. I really don't like it to look too au natural, if you get my drift. Now what I normally like to do is to take my foundation just a little bit and put that at the back of my hands. Then I take my concealer. Because I do my brows after my skin work, I like to take a concealer that is not too light. This concealer is just a shade lighter than me, and I add that to the back of my hand like this. And then we are going to give this brow some shape, some definition. I love a well-defined brow. I don't want the brow to be too boxy or boxed up, but if the brow is not well defined, it doesn't frame the face properly. So going in without lighter concealer, I'm just going to now gently clean up underneath the brow. Gently, gently. Just go in light motions. Don't be in a haste. Don't be in a rush. Gently. Concealer gets finished, go to the back of your hand again and pick some more. See? Gently, gently, gently. And then blend it out. I like to blend out. I love the look it gives. See? That under eye concealer is not overly bright. Now we are going to wipe off that whatever is left on this concealer brush in the back of our hands, and then go into that foundation shade, and then we are going to use that to carve the, not really carve, just to neaten up the top part of the brow. See? Gently. At times I like to do this, like take your brows, lift your brows up that way. See, it helps me get in there to actually help define the brows a bit more. And there you have it, guys. See, so after you do that, what I like to do next, I like to take the spoolie part of the brow and just brush in this part of the brow, brush it in, and then brush it upward. So there you have it, guys. I'm just going to do this brows right now, and then you see how they both look. So there you have it, guys. See, the both brows are on now. You can see, very easy, very simple, looks quite natural. Always make sure to brush through the brows. And something else I always like to do when I'm done, I take a brow gel like this. This one is from Double Cosmetics. This is the Double Cosmetics Instant Tamer. I just take my brush and place it in this like this, and then I brush it through the brow. It just helps to set the brow in place and gives it that fluffy, natural look. Your brow looks defined, but it also looks natural. And there you have it, guys, our updated brow routine. I'm just going to speed up this process, do the rest of my makeup, and then come show you the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. You can see how beautiful the brow is looking. Our updated brow tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until I come your way again next week, remain blessed. Bye, guys.